What's up? In today's video, I'm going to make a video on this game called Monkey Trials, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, basically, you can level up and stuff, right? But there's speedrun trials, and you're supposed to get all the ones that are green currently, and once you get all them, it saves the time. It's kind of hard to see just that. I'm going to take it off so you can. So, you do your time, right? It's up on the top of your head up there. And then once you finish, boom, it stops. And 5.314 will be the time that's on there. And then if you get another thing, it'll, go faster. Currently, it's week 1, and this is freedom. Moderator, beta test. I really want beta test happening, that would be so cool. And this game's very fun. I've been playing it for a couple of minutes. Currently week 1 bundles here. And you can buy a money item, some pet items right now. And nothing over here, but there's going to be cosmetics. There's a lot of people in the game, as you can see, another person in here. When I was playing earlier, it was almost a full lobby. Banjo's a mod. I'm gonna go see him. There's like a cool red mod thing. So if I stop the time, go back. 0 points. Am I on there? No. Banjo is a moderator and stuff, so that's why his name's green. He's on a lot of the things. So. Actually, I don't know why that is, because I'm pretty sure Kool-Aid had the green thing on him. So he's not great right here. Number 43. So, yeah. That's how that stuff works. There's a ton of trials everywhere. Move this around the building, one that goes up there, and that goes all through here. One where you jump on these, and that one, it goes back here. This one over there, you loop all the way back. So, yeah, that's what that is. I'm pretty sure this might be like a bonus room or something, like a secret room. Ooh, wait. It's the secret cave from Gorilla Tag, bro. You can't even see what's in it. But yeah, it's super fun. I would recommend it. And I wonder if I can get a bad time. 15th, which this is my best time, I'm pretty sure. It's this one, 33, this one, 23. I forgot what I had on this one. Default pretty too. 24. Yeah. This is probably my highest rank in that thing. Yeah. See, this one's Lando. I don't know what the green means. But yeah. I just fastest time replay. Yeah, if you look at this, there's an actual ghost of your character. For some reason, it's sideways, even though it's facing forward, but you can press stop again. You can press start time trial to stop the time if it's already started. So, I press it, it starts counting, I press it again, boom. For some reason, also, if I hold my hand, like what should be this, right? It looks like this. So, the character model is kind of sideways, which makes it kind of weird to walk, because this is normal forwards, and my hands are still. Kind of weird to walk. I don't know what. What is happening on this wall? Oh shoot! I did not realize that before. It seems these are overlaid instead of like an actual wall, which is kind of weird. But yeah, seems there's going to be a lot of cosmetics, extra head cosmetic, more hand cosmetics. They probably are going to fix that. It says right here your money, and then the things pop up here. I don't know right now though how. Ooh, toggle mirror. There's a mirror. Ooh, gumball. So yeah. Currently, you also can't get to 000 if you change your color. So if you change your color at any point. They also have codes. Public and 1 through 0 through 9. And then back, X. Or that might be enter actually. I'm pretty sure X is probably, you know. And then you delete a digit, and then that's, you know, thing over here. It seems there's also something over here. No, just a giant hole. Ooh, there's fences. One big. Far enough. Can you climb up these? How far does it go? I'm pretty sure it's just going to lead to a ceiling eventually. We made it! Hit the roof. Oh my goodness. How far do I get lost? Yeah, this is the color changer. Let's save it, all that stuff. Banjo stole the code, I think, maybe. Dimension Leaf, Banjo left. I'm gonna join the new public. See if there's more people in this public. No, just me. I guess everybody joined, actually. Oh, this is the owner. Second place, jeez. We got first place on this one, that's not a prize. See if I can get a new time. Oh, shoot. Yeah, just reset myself if I miss one. Because you're not going to get the top if you miss one. Oh, shoot. I was a bit late there. Yeah, there was nothing in levels that was completely messed up. Shoot. Oh! 2.6, is that maybe on here? Oh, that's not. It is better though. And if you reset the time, it only shows your personal best. So don't worry about losing your time because you slipped up. And, yeah, you can level up the more you do the things. There's mute and there's report, which for some reason you can do that for yourself, but yeah. There's, yeah. I like this one. I am falling behind a bit for my ghost, but so whatever. I'm gonna speedrunning this. I'm just doing it. Boom, 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 and bang. I'm level 5 now. Currently, I don't think the levels do anything. It is cool though. Finger colliders. Yeah. Oh, so like you can use your finger. Yeah, your finger can like touch the word. Let's just do it right here. So just my hand, just my fingers. Yeah. Oh, I missed it. Watch this. I completely missed it. Did I get a better time? No, I did not get a better time. That might have been seconds. Jeez. .29. Definitely a bit faster. 27. Oh, shoot. Yeah, that is not faster, I don't think. I don't think that's faster than you go normally. .444. New. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting faster. Oh, wait, I'm on. Come on, General. Shoot, yeah, it's 402. Few milliseconds left. B6. Oh, I think I'm getting faster than that. Shoot, wait. Yeah, I would have said that. Let's see if we can get a better time. 11 seconds. Also, if you don't have a record, it just goes ghost. 1.999. I guess that's slow. I guess that's faster. Shoot. That would have worked if it was just oh, shoot. Wait. No. Yeah, I slipped up. Boom! Come on! That didn't do anything. Alright, well. Goodbye, guys.